Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. And you can see with the key fob here, I can operate all three doors. The sliding and the power trunk lid are automatic. This ramp here is manual, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. Got a handle on either side. These clamps keep that ramp from rattling. It's a real nice design. Look at this, I can take that to the ground using only my index finger. Very simple to do. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entries. It does taper down to 32 inches there at the base where the wheels go through. 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Between the second row of seats, there's about 21 inches of room. Usually the chair will slide up between here. The person's legs will sit in between the seats. Their bottom will sit slightly behind it. This generally allows to get the 2 wheelchairs stacked back in here, depending on the size of the chairs, of course. If you need one of these chairs removed, we've got chairs that flip up on their side. We can make more room in here. Let us know what you need. Let us know your measurements. There's no one size fits all. Talk to us and we can help you out. Dash is in great condition. Got your steering wheel controls to keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, got the Bluetooth on there. You can sync it to your phone. Dual climate control. Rear air. Real nice center console in there. You can see the leather seats with a cloth insert. So when you've got everybody secured, oh yeah, and if you're ever going to use this van for, say, a taxi, you can shut all the doors right here. But say you want to use this for a taxi, you can turn the power doors off. They become manual sliding doors. Very easy to operate. So however you want to do that, it's touch of a button. Come back out. Look at that, one finger. I say if you can lift a gallon of milk, you can lift this ramp off the ground. It's about what I compare it to. Quick walk around of the van, very clean. Got the tinted windows in the rear. Got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. All the tires between 7 and 8/32, so very good tires, not brand new, but still a lot of tread left on them. Got your alloy wheels. Hard to find a dent or scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's been very well taken care of. I do see one tiny little door ding. I don't think the camera's going to pick it up, about the size of a dime down there. Very small, but it's not a perfect van. But if I didn't show that to you or point it out, you'd probably never be able to see it. Very well taken care of. I'll show you the Carfax here in just a minute. Very clean body. Everything up on the roof looks good. Very clean interior with the power driver seat. It works great. We've tested that out. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know I have this vehicle in my possession. I'm not pulling some internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we give a free Carfax away with every one of our vehicles. You can see this van has no accidents or damage, just one owner. Last owned in Oregon. And you can see it's Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They guarantee no total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accidents, no open recalls. It's got the warranty active for the powertrain and the bumper to bumper. Actually says original warranty, estimated to have 11 months, 198,193 miles on them. So that's real good news there. You can check this out more if you like, but just wanted to show that to you. We got the extra mile to show you everything we know about the vehicle. This van comes with the one key fob. If you want additional key fobs made, those are generally $199 your cost, so let us know. Current mile is 26,407. You can see all the dummy lights go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. Got the backup camera like I mentioned. And our mechanics, we check everything big and small. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise. And if you look at many used vehicles in your lifetime, you know that half the time when you get there, they didn't tell you about a big dent in the door. They didn't tell you about windows not working. They didn't tell you about a check engine light. They didn't tell you about a knock in the suspension or the transmission slipping. I'm not in business to do that. I want you to see everything I see. I want you to know everything I know about the vehicles. That way, when it shows up, you say, this is exactly the vehicle I was expecting. Underneath the hood, got the 3-point V6. Idles smoothly. Has your emission sticker there. Everything looks great. I don't see any signs of any damage. I don't see any signs of any leaks. This is exactly what we're looking for on a used vehicle. As I crawl underneath the van, Much of the same. Very clean. I don't see any bent metal. I don't see any signs of floods or anything like that. So, and that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's 2019. They assume because the miles are low. They assume because it looks good in pictures, or they assume just because the salesman was nice to them, that it's a nice vehicle, that it's not all rusted out, that it runs and drives good, and nothing, and I mean nothing, could be further from the truth. You'll notice our competition, they rarely, if ever, show you the undercarriage. Go look at their website right now. Go ahead. I'm sending you to the competition. Go look at them right now. Do they show the undercarriage? Do they do detailed videos? Do they have Carfax reports available? The answer to those, probably all three of those, is probably no. They buy a lot of these from New York, Chicago. They buy them from the Rust Belt. They're all rusted out. They sell you a bunch of junk. They sell you things you're going to have problems with, and you're none the wiser. So that's why I'm telling you right now, do not assume things. Demand a detailed video like this. People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video. And if you don't, and the van shows up and it's got a bunch of problems you didn't know about, all you can do is look in the mirror. Because I tried to warn you. I tried to warn you. So let's get the van out on the test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them out on the highway so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy, steering wheel's nice and straight. Let me get straightened out here on the highway. I'm going to set the cruise control. Pops up to close to 70 miles an hour, good acceleration. Van runs and drives great. With all this being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. So talk to us about those. Protect your investment not only tomorrow, but for many years to come. We've got a really good extended warranty company. Also keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then you call them or you show up and they've got a $500 document fee. Then they've got a tag fee. They got administrative fees and all these freight fees, and they don't tell you the real price. They try to add all these fees on and just expect you to be okay with it. And my point is, if someone's not telling you the real price, if someone tells you a van's $30,000, it should be $30,000, plus tax, obviously. You got to pay that for Uncle Sam. But it shouldn't be $30,000 plus $500 or $1,000 in fees. Then you got to factor in shipping. Next thing you know, that real nice price online is $2,000 or $3,000 higher than you thought it was, and they can't compete with our prices. That's just how it goes. So feel free to look around. But if someone's not being honest with me from the get-go about the price, what else are they hiding? Are they hiding accidents? Are they hiding title? A bad title, a salvage title? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding mechanical issues? I don't know. Something you have to ask yourself. Can give it a nice hard brake down at the bottom of this ramp so you can see there are no braking issues. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. And also keep in mind, nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. We got detailed videos, Carfax reports, dozens of pictures. We've got a great reputation. I was looking on eBay today. We have 817 transactions. Everybody's left us positive reviews. That's 817 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. On Google reviews, last I saw, we have 4.8 out of 5 stars. And so, reputation matters, and nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. If you'd like to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to call Mobility Works or Freedom Motors or VMI or Braun or United Access. And I want you to ask them, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Because Jeremiah at Affordable Mobility Solutions can you match his level of customer service? So make sure you ask them that. Also, if you'd like to see our entire inventory, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do take trade-ins. Talk to me about that. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone We can take one over the phone, or we can send one to your emails. Let us know how we can help. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.